Do you know that you can actually force TikTok to push your video to FYP? If you are getting low views, low engagement on your video, this is exactly what you need to do. Go to your you need to go to your profile on TikTok, then click on this hamburger sign. When you click here, you go to settings and privacy. So when you get to settings and privacy, you scroll down to content preferences, then you click on it. Then this filter keywords here, you click on it. Then what you need to do is to add keyword. So click on add keyword. Then you select you filter your you click on for you here, then enter a keyword. Now what you're going to do here is to put the number of views that you want your next video to have. You input it here. So I'm just going to put 100k views. Then you click on save. So when you are done, you already had, if you want to add more keywords, you can just do the same the way we just do it now. Then you go back. So you come here, scroll down again, go to free up space, then you clear your cache, and then see the wonder that TikTok is going to do on your next video. So if you are not following me yet on my channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Do that right now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.